Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a good weekend. Today I am going to show you how to merge CSV files using the free Microsoft Power Query tool, which you can add on to your Microsoft Excel 2010 and 2013. I will provide a link to download Power Query in the description below. So what I have created is three files, three CSV files with name, age, and state, right? Same column name. What I'm going to do is merge the three files into an Excel spreadsheet. So the add-on that I'm going to use is Power Query. First you click on the Power Query, then you click on From File, then you click on From Folder, and then copy the link to the folder into here, press OK. So there's a preview of what are the three files that will be merged. Then you click on Combine and Edit. So it will give you a sample of the data inside the files. So this is the sample for the first file. Then you can see this for the CSV2. You can preview the data. Then you click OK. See, all the three files, the data in the three files are now merged here. If it's a good thing if you can keep the source name, right? So you know where the data comes from. But you can also easily remove the column if you don't want it. Then there's a lot of other things that you can use to transform the data. I probably will do it in my other videos. The next, you click Close and Load. So now, you see, we have three files, three rows of data from three files. So if you have a new file that you want to merge, you just simply, right, put into this folder again. So let's say I will name it CSV4, right? Then what I do is actually very simple. I just refresh here. See, now you have 4 rows of data. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and then I will create a video to answer your questions. If you like this video, please give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to increase it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.